Hello friends, welcome to our channel Castor classes, and in this particular video I am going to show you how you can check multiple conditions in Python. Okay, so in my previous video I have shown you simple conditions like if x equal to 45, y equal to 8, if you run x greater than y, as 45 is greater than 8, so we should get output as true. If we write x less than y, 45 is not less than 8, so we should get output as false, right? So these things I have shown you. Now you want to check multiple conditions. Suppose let me write one more variable z equal to 100. Okay. Now suppose I want to check one more condition, that is z greater than y. Okay. Now there are three gates actually we will be using. Might have studied, some of us might have studied in digital logic design course, that is AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. Okay, these are using this we can check multiple conditions. So first one is condition 1 and condition 2. So if you write this kind of expression, then the whole expression will give output as true if both the conditions are true. If any of the condition is false, output will be false. Okay, so see, x less than y, is 45 less than 8? No, this is false, right? And this is z greater than y, z greater than y, 100 is greater than 8, right? So this is true, right? If you write AND, so as one side is false, we will be getting output as false. But if we change the comparison operator here in the left hand side, like if we change to x greater than y, where 45 is greater than 8, and z also, that is 100 is also greater than 8, so we will be getting output as true. If we change this side, that is z less than y, now see, x greater than y, 45 is greater than 8, satisfied, but 100 less than 8 is not satisfied, it will return as false. So if you run, you will be getting false. Okay, now next one, same kind of syntax, just instead of AND we'll be using what? OR. Okay, so now what will happen, if any of the condition, either condition 1 or condition 2 or both are true, output will be true. If both the condition are false, output will be false. Suppose let me take x equal to 10, y equal to 100, z equal to 1000. Okay, now x greater than y. Okay, I am writing, output is obviously false because 100 is greater than 10, so 10 is less than 100, 10 cannot be greater than 100, so output is false, right? Now let me write one more thing. Suppose I am writing z greater than y. Okay, so z greater than y, what we should get as output? See, z greater than y, z greater than y output is true, right? Because 1000 is greater than 100. Okay, now I am writing two conditions simultaneously. Suppose I am writing one condition as x greater than y, or z greater than y. So x greater than y, 10 is greater than 100, false. But z greater than y, 1000 is greater than 100, it is true. So one side is true. If you run, we will be getting output as true. Okay, if you change this one sign, x less than y, 10 is less than 100 and 1000 is greater than 100, both conditions are true. If you run, we will be getting output as true. Suppose I am making both conditions false, so x greater than y and z less than y. Now if I run, I will be getting false because x greater than y, 10 is greater than 100, false. Similarly, 1000 is less than 100, this is also false. So this is what about OR. Same like OR gate, it will work. Now NOT. Okay, so here the syntax is NOT, then condition. As you know, NOT gate only takes one input. Whatever input you will give, that will make it reverse and gives that output. If you give input 1, it will give 0. If you give 0, it will give output as 1. Okay, so simple. How? Suppose x equal to 5, y equal to 10, right? Now I am writing x greater than y. What you should get as output? Obviously false, right? Now I will be writing NOT x greater than y. If you run, see, our output will be getting true. Okay, now like if I write x less than y, what I will be getting? True, right? Because 5 is less than 10. Now if I write not x less than y, we will be getting false. Okay, just reverse thing, it will give us output, like same like NOT gate. So in this video we have learned three very important concepts for multiple condition checking, that is AND, OR and NOT. All right, this will be very helpful for solving practical programming questions. Later I will show you. Okay,